In this video, I'll guide you through how to find your Steam 64 ID. If you're a gamer, you know that your Steam 64 ID is an important identifier for various purposes, such as linking your account to third-party sites or services. Today, we'll make the process of finding it as simple and straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll need to open the Steam application on your computer. If you haven't already, go ahead and launch Steam. It's important to have the app updated to the latest version to ensure that everything runs smoothly. Once you're in, you'll notice your profile name at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on your profile name. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. Next, from the drop-down menu, you need to click on View My Profile. This option will take you directly to your personal Steam profile page. Here, you'll find all sorts of information about your account, including your achievements, friends list, and more. Now, the key step is to focus on the URL at the top of your web browser. You'll want to copy this page URL. This URL is crucial because it contains the information we need to retrieve your Steam 64 ID. Make sure to highlight the entire URL, then right-click and select Copy, or simply use the keyboard shortcut that works for you, such as Ctrl-C on a Windows computer or Command-C on a Mac. Once you have your URL copied, the next step is to head over to the Steamid.io website. This website is a handy tool designed specifically for finding various Steam IDs, including your Steam 64 ID. So, open your web browser and navigate to the Steamid.io website. When you arrive on the site, you'll see a search box prominently displayed on the home page. This is where you'll paste the URL you copied from your Steam profile. Click inside the search box, then right-click and choose Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut such as Ctrl-V on a Windows computer or Command-V on a Mac to paste the URL into the box. After pasting your URL, simply click on the Look Up button next to the search box. The website will process your request and in just a moment display a variety of IDs associated with your account. Among these IDs, you'll find one labeled as Steam ID 64. This is the 17-digit number you've been looking for. And there you have it, your Steam 64 ID is now at your fingertips, ready to be used wherever you need it. Remember, this ID is unique to your account and can be used for a variety of purposes, so keep it handy. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to assist. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.